This video is about jerk chicken. One of the questions people ask me on a daily basis, Troy, how do I make jerk chicken? In this video, I will show you step-by-step instruction and information on the secret behind jerk chicken. Today I'm making jerk chicken. I will share with you the tricks and tips behind this jerk chicken. First, we will wash our chicken and get it clean for best jerk chicken result. This is my pieces of chicken I'm using to make my jerk chicken. Jerk chicken is very easy to do and it can be very frustrating, but with these instructions, it will be so easy. You wouldn't believe it is so easy. First, cut your chicken in quarters. Best to jerk your chicken. For best jerk chicken results, use quarters. Some people use half, but quarter is reasonable enough. When you try to jerk like drumsticks and wings and things, based on the heat and how small the pieces is, they intend to burn and don't come out properly. Next thing to know, do not take the skin from the chicken. Best jerk chicken result is with the skin on the chicken. After you jerk the chicken, you can remove the skin and enjoy your jerk chicken without the skin. After finish washing your chicken and get them clean, drain as much water as possible from your pieces. Place the chicken in a clean container. This container is what I will use to season my chicken. In this container, I have 8 pieces of chicken quarters. 2 chicken. This is the container I will use to season my chicken. First, I will add some dry rub on my chicken. However, I could blend the dry rub with my scallion and thyme, but I want you guys to get a clear understanding of what I am using and what I am doing. So I gotta add the dry rub first. This is a tablespoon. This is the spoon we're using to measure our dry rub. So I will add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Reason being, I'll be using some pegs of garlic in my blend seasoning. I will now add my jerk seasoning. So I will add 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning to my chicken. If you guys don't have jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning is almost similar, so you can use the all-purpose seasoning. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add the salt to your desire, but I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt. This is the rest of my seasoning. I will blend together to make a wet rub. I will be using scallions, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and a piece of ginger. I will use a couple seeds of pimento as well. So I will wash my seasoning and get them clean, cut them in smaller pieces because we gotta blend them. This is my scallion. So what I will do now is just cut them in small piece, not dice them up, but small piece, a reasonable size, because you gotta blend them, so you just want the blender to be able to manage. So this is my onion, no fancy cut, just cutting them reasonable size so the blender can manage them. So this is my scallion, my onion. So What I am doing here, I want you guys to get a full understanding of what I am doing. I could just cut these things, pre-cut them and say this is some scallion, onion and whatever, but what I'm doing, I'm just cutting and demonstrate that this thing is very easy, nothing hard. So this is my Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're making jerk chicken, so we use the whole pepper, cut the seed and everything in it. Jerk chicken is very easy. Just follow this step-by-step instruction and your chicken will come out super good. So here is my ginger. So I'm just using a little piece of ginger in it. You can see I have garlic. This is the blender I will use to blend my seasoning. I will be using half cup of water. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of pimento seed. Pimento seed is very high in flavor and bring out high flavor in your jerk chicken. So we're using 2 tablespoons of pimento seed. Do remember, if you have problem getting Jamaican herbs and spice, you can check my website at www.troyrhodenwebstore.com for all Jamaican herbs and spices. Know that all your seasoning is in the blender. Blend to make a paste. The reason for blending the seasoning, when add blend season to your chicken, the seasoning penetrates the chicken at a faster pace. After finish blending your season, add the wet rub to your chicken to finish the seasoning process. Now that all my wet rub and my dry rub is on my chicken, it is now time to rub it in. Ensure that all pieces of chicken is properly seasoning for best jerk chicken flavor. After finish, rub the seasoning in. Leave to marinate. Marinate process is optional. The marinating process can leave for hours, can leave for days, can leave for weeks. As I say, it's optional. It's all up to you. Now it's time to jerk your chicken. Light the charcoal, leave to burn to the right temperature. Secret: blazing fire like this cannot use to jerk chicken. After catch the right temperature, place the charcoal in the jerk drum or the grill to start the jerking process. It's now time to put your pieces of chicken on the grill to start the jerking process. However, you can place the chicken in whatever position or style you like. It don't make a difference. Secret: this is where the real jerking process starts to take place. The fire will associate itself with the chicken and the chicken associate itself with the fire. Secret: as you can see, the charcoal is red hot, but there is no blazing fire. So the jerking process is taking place. Remember, you will have to turn the chicken from time to time and pay attention. This is for best jerk chicken result. You cannot leave the chicken and expect it to jerk in one flip or two. You turn the chicken from time to time. Pay attention for best jerk chicken result. However, you guys might be wondering, how do you control the fire? It's very simple. Sometimes the fire will blaze up, get high. It's simple. You use water to dilute or cool the fire down. Very easy. So you add water whenever time it starts to blaze to control the temperature of the charcoal. It's that simple. So pay attention to your chicken. Turn the chicken from time to time. You do not want the pieces to burn. However, all pieces of chicken will not jerk at the same time. Some pieces will finish, come to a complete before some. So you gotta pay attention, rotate the pieces that cook first, move them from the other point of the fire. This fire is about to start to blaze. Watch and see. I will throw water in the fire to cool it down. Don't worry about the steam. This is how jerk chicken is done. Jerk chicken is very easy to do. It's not a big and difficult thing. Just follow these instructions, which I am telling you guys. That's the big secret behind the jerk chicken. Simple and easy as that. Now that your jerk chicken is come to a complete cook, which it have a golden brown, it's now time to share your jerk chicken with family and friends. Thank you guys for watching. If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Until then, see you guys in my next video. I'm out.